Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video you guys saw, we painted the strut forks for the CG5. Today's video, we're going to install them and do a couple of little things that we need to do on the front end of the car. You guys know we also put all new suspension onto the front end of this car. So while we got it up in the air, the wheels off, kind of want to just do like a nut and bolt check, make sure everything is good, everything is tight. So far, the MXR control arms and everything are working great. Link in the description for that kit as well. Let's get this car up in the air, wheels off, and get to it. That's good. Where'd the other one go? It's lost. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start pulling the front fork, or the strut fork, off of it. So the top bolt is gonna be a 14 mil for the through bolt on there, and then the one that's down here on the bottom is going to be a 17. So let's go ahead and start getting this off. This one is stripped out, so I got to hold the other side of it. That's kind of why we're doing this, to get rid of this setup, because not only is the bolt stripped out, it is like bent, which is weird. Like, it's hard to see it, but there's a bend in the bolt.
What is this one? It's got a slight curve to it.
I thought it was. And then the bottom one, the bottom 17. There it goes. Now, push down, get it out of there. Alright, and there's the one on the car. You guys see how gross it looks and everything, but also where the bolt will go in it is not even the proper bolt for it. Like, look, you know, compared to these ones that are the proper ones, you know. So there's the old versus the new. Purdy. Hopefully they fit. We will see. And I know no one's gonna see these in here, but it's just the fact that it makes it look better. And I also painted the bolt heads a little bit. I don't know why. Probably gonna get messed up putting it together, but you know, it is what it is. So it's on and tight. Woo, that wind. Now this is gonna be the part that's gonna be hard. And then I'm gonna try and get this screwdriver up here, try and pry down on it so we can get this lined up down here. Try is the key word though. Maybe should do the bottom first. Let's try that. Let's loosen the top 14 up and then get the bottom bolts in and then work on this one. Yeah, that helped a lot. Just loosening it up gives me some movement on down here. Yes, sir. That's just what we needed. Maybe. Don't play with my emotions. True. Good. No. Let me tighten this baby right here. And then, alright guys, so that 17 is tight. Now that's tight, it pushed everything up. So we can go ahead and tighten up this 14 again. Those strut forks are on. Everything is good, snug and tight. And then we can go ahead and check all the other suspension parts that we replaced on it. Make sure everything is tight. And we got this ball joint down here. Try and get the wrench around where the cotter pins are and everything. That's tight, that's tight. That's all tight. I think the front end is tight, guys. I did a little bit off camera while I was waiting for my wife to bring me some tools that I was needing. Checked the lower control arm and everything, and the radius arms and stuff. And they were all good, very Gucci. Yeah, we'll slap this wheel back on and head over to the other side. And here comes the rain. Get the wheel on. Let's go ahead and just like make sure everything is tight real quick before we do all that stuff. Tight. No, that's tight. That's tight. Working in the rain now, boys. Let's get the 14 bolts out of here. That one. That one's out of there. Now I need this, and I need the 14 mil bolt over there. Let's get this nice pretty one on there, you know. We'll get this new one because I kind of painted and gave some sparkles. I should have painted these ones, but I didn't have extras of these, so. Hell no. Slacking. Half-ass job over here. Get up there, baby. Get this here. Get this here. As it is raining. But I'd rather deal with this than the heat that has been lately. Tight, that's tight, that's tight. Tighten this up. Alright, here. So it's a 17 as well. Let's see if I can get this down in there. Yeah. Alright. I want to make sure. Very, very tight. The radius arms. Tight, tight, tight. Alright. So it seems like everything on the front end is still good and snug and tight. Nothing's coming loose, which is good. That means we did a good job, very good job. So now we can get the wheel back on this side. Man, this thing is heavy. Oh, heavy. Guys, how many more times are we gonna take the wheels off this car before we go 5 load? Trying to build this car. Not really build it, but you know, make it look nicer. I found the wheels I want to put on the car. My wife don't like them. I want to do like OEM plus, you know. I'll put a picture on the screen now of the OEM plus wheels that I want to put on this thing. For some reason, she doesn't like them. I don't know why. They're pretty wheels. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think of those wheels? I think they'll look good on this car. And you guys didn't even see the color that we're planning on going with the car. We want to wrap the car, and she picked a color out that I like a lot too. So we just got to do some more stuff. You know, we got to get some new fenders. We got to get the bumper. We want to do the 0102 coupe bumper. We got to get fog lights for it, like the lip for it. We got to get new headlights for this. There's a bunch of little stuff, you know. Body work is next, guys. After we get the suspension and all that dialed in, you know. The 5-lug done, the big brake kit, like a bunch of stuff, you know. That stuff is not cheap, so you know, y'all can help out by liking and subscribing to the channel and watching these videos through. Get that retention time up to help the algorithm. You know what I'm saying? 10 mil real quick. I gotta take some off that's in here. Do some weight reduction on this thing. Weight reduction!
The heck is that?
This were like the stock airbox.
Didn't even know that was there.
This car never had a stock airbox since we've owned it. I didn't either,
Nope.
so just now. I say we put this thing back on the ground. Alright guys, so that's that. I just wanted to make sure everything was snug and tight on the front end of the car and get this replaced. I was going to make it one video of doing the install and everything, but when we got done painting it and stuff, we came inside to relax for a little bit and eat some food. We'll have lunch, and it started pouring rain. So and then when it got done raining, obviously the ground was wet and everything, and I'm like, you know what, I need to get this video done, edit it, and something to get posted. And that was like 3 days ago, but the weather, as you can see, has been raining almost every day. So it like rains and then it's like 80-something degrees out. But I needed to get a video done, so I'm like, you know what, I'll make it its own video, and kind of went back outside and closed out the video. Here's the old ones compared to the new ones. Very good. We don't have to worry about this stripped out no more. There's still one good one. I mean, it'll still work. You just got to have a through bolt on it. And I just didn't feel comfortable having that on the car with my wife and kids in this vehicle. And that's kind of why we're doing all the stuff we've been doing on it, all new front end parts, a whole bunch of new suspension stuff. We got new tires I got to put on the back of the car. It's my wife and kids that are in this car. And, you know, my wife and kids are the most important things in my life. Without them, I would be nothing. So I just want to make sure they're safe in what they're driving in and riding in, you know. Big look difference. I know no one's going to see it or something, but we know it's there. You guys know it's there. And it just makes it look that much cleaner underneath the car. And once we get everything else done that we're going to be doing on there, it'll all come together as one. So, system of elimination, guys. Trust the process. Thank you guys for being here. If you made it this far in the video, put in the comments, CDG fam. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, watching the videos and supporting. It means the world to me. And we're going to continue pushing out this content. So, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and God bless. These are going in the scrap pile. Bye.